guess what? I have been looking for a easy way to do knotless braids. I've seen people doing knotless braids, but hey, your girl cannot fit in, so I found my own method to do knotless braids, and I'm gonna share it with you. Let us get started. So you can use any braiding hair of your choice, be it Kanekalon or any kind of braiding hair that you can get hands on. So this is what I'm using. These are short braiding hair, so I'm gonna use them. As you can see, my hair is very fluffy and oh my god, it's messy. I just went and just combed it and just oiled it up, and I separated it into 3 bands. Then I started doing my hair, prepping my hair. We're not going to use rubber bands in this video, but I'm going to show you the method that I'm using so that you get the same effect as just you're using rubber band, and your braids will be popping out like, oh my god. So I'm using my eyebrows. Normally when I'm parting my hair, it really guides me well. So I'm just parting like I'm doing cornrows, and then I'm parting like I'm doing just braids, like individual braids. So I'm using edge control, applying to that partition I have made. I'm just doing like very tiny, but not the tiniest, but they're tiny partitions for these braids. So after that, I'm just gonna braid my natural hair into three strand braids. As you can see, make sure you hold the hair, make sure the hair, you touch every single strand of hair on that particular partition you're doing your braiding. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to braid all the way up. I'm just gonna braid a little bit just to hold up the hair, just to get a grip on my hair before I continue with the next step. So I'm going to show you. So that's what I'm doing, and that's where I'm going to end with braiding my own hair. It's going to end there. It's a very short distance. So I'm going to do the same the whole head. I'm going to do the same the whole head. We are not going to use rubber bands in this style, as I told you, and we're going to stick to that. Okay, first of all, thank you so much for subscribing. So I am done, and I'm going to start with the back. I'm going to use a crochet needle and just crochet the hair. I just parted, I separated very like a thin strand of hair from the braiding hair, as you can see. And then I'm going to use, I'm going to make sure that 2 ends are equal in length, like that. This is called like a lazy girl style, I don't know how to braid girl kind of style. So welcome to the family. So I'm braiding just like I would do my natural hair. So I use the 2 strands from the braiding hair and my own hair, so that makes equal 3, you know, and then I'm doing a 3-strand braid, as you can see. So I'll braid until when I'm satisfied, and then I'm going to separate my natural hair into 3 portions, and the braids, I'm going to separate them into 3 portions. You can see me separating my hair. So I'm separating first my natural hair like that, one in the left, one on the right, and the other one I put in the middle. And then I'm separating, I'm taking like a few from one side of the braid and the other from one side of the braid, and then I'm just like we're going to donate to the middle part, you know. So then I'm gonna braid like a 3-strand braid, just to continue to just melt everything in together. So don't go anywhere, don't leave until we finish this video, because I'm going to show you another method as we go. Because if this one is hard for you, I have another one. So I got you, I got your back, sweetheart. So let's continue. I'm going to braid till the end, and that's what I'm going to do. I make sure I braid till the end. This hair is very soft, the one I'm using, so it kind of unravels. So I'm making sure that I braid till the end. I'm going to show you in front here, just in case at the back it was hard for you to see. I did the same thing, a small portion of the braiding hair. I have those 2. I make sure the 2 are equal in length. Then I'm gonna take the 2, and the 3rd one will be my natural hair. 2, 3, and I'm gonna just braid normal, just to match them together and to create that a 3-strand braid, as you can see me doing. So I'm gonna do that. In this one, I'm going to braid until my natural hair, until where my natural hair ends, and then I'm going to separate the braiding hair into 3 and continue. So I braided and then I separated my the braiding hair into 3 and then I continued. So you have 2 methods. The other one, you separate your natural hair and you blend it with your braiding hair. But that one, the second one, is that you go until where your natural hair ends and then you separate that braiding hair. It's easy. I think the second one is easy. I would go with the second one, and I did most of these braids with the second method. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this one the last time. This is the last one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. I come here with a lot of easy DIYs for your hair. Girl, my sweetheart, you have to level up the game. Just look good on budget. You don't have to break the bank to look good. I give you like different styles, hairstyles that you can have, that you can achieve, and that will make you look classic but on a budget, you know. And I'm making the hard styles to become easy and manageable. Even to people who doesn't know how to braid, they will be able to braid. Just keep being here, keep hanging here with me. So thank you for everybody who has subscribed. I love you so much. Thank you for joining the family. I am so happy and you motivate me so much. Let's keep growing, and I love you all. Please comment down below if you like this method. Which one do you think is easy, the first one or the second method? Or if you have ever done these knotless braids on your hair, did you ever feel like it was hard or not? If you did, so will this method help you? Just comment. Let's chat in the comment section. So I am braiding till the end, and then the end, I make sure when I reach the end, I take the thinnest strand of hair and I use that to tie a knot, so that it's not lumpy when I tie that knot, because we want them as smooth as possible. So that's what I did, and it looks like that. You can't even see the knot, and my braids are like that. The next thing I'm gonna do is just to trim my hair, but I dipped them in hot water. I didn't show on camera. You can dip them in hot water just to make everything smoothen out and straight and So yeah, I'm just trimming everything just to have take away the unnecessary strands of hair that are hanging around, because we don't need that. We need cool and So this is me, and this is my final look. On this day, I'm gonna tell you a secret. My makeup didn't just come out the way I wanted, but hey, who cares? The hair is popping, and that's what we're gonna stick with. Thank you so much for being here, and I love you so much.